everybody, so today we are doing some actual real DIY and I've made this. Now you might wonder what I'm doing with a drill and a spoon. That's thinking brilliant, that, isn't it? So I need to briefly whisk something. We need to briefly whisk some wallpaper paste, and why bother getting our make when you've got a good trusty drill? Right, so just because I don't want to waste the paste with some crazy experiment and have to go out for an unessential trip during this lockdown, so I'm just going to test with water. I think that will work brilliantly. Right, so we've done our pre-test. So it says, open pack at notch, sprinkle the full contents. Where's the notch then? What's the notch? Is that it? Must be. Oh, here we go. I'm actually a bit nervous. Ooh. Full contents. Remember, what did we say? 20 seconds. Do it for 20. Leave for 90. Ready? Go. How quick are we meant to be doing this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Am I counting fast enough? 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 20, that'll do, right? Done? 19, 20. Yeah? Leave. That don't look thick enough. Oh no, have we been too brisk? I mean, is that the right consistency? I reckon that'll thicken up with time, won't it? That's alright, let's get cracking.